Siberian Building Solutions is a construction and manufacturing company with a 25-year history. Our experience in building rapid assembly structures from the ground up allows us to identify and implement new engineering solutions. Our developments help construction and installation companies reduce build times and lower costs. On modern construction sites, installation of sandwich panels and double-glazed units is impossible without the use of specialized lifting equipment. That is why we developed SBS vacuum lifters, systems for lifting, positioning, and installing sandwich panels, glass and stone products weighing up to 2 tons. Siberian Building Solutions operates at its own facilities. Here in Novosibirsk is where the production of our vacuum lifters is located. We have built and equipped a workshop of approximately 1,500 square meters. These facilities house a steel fabrication shop, milling, plasma cutting, lathes, and manual assembly of our vacuum lifters. The company has established a full in-house production cycle of vacuum lifters, using its own engineering research and unique technical solutions. Our key advantage is a unique silicone sealing pad used in all our lifters. It was developed using our own technology. Its main strength is a working temperature range from -50 to +50 degrees Celsius. This means our vacuum lifters can operate in almost any weather conditions. We've also developed a remote control to make installation even easier. For example, when glass is lifted to a great height and set in place, the operator can release it with a press of a button, directly from the ground. SBS vacuum lifters run on batteries designed for up to 12 hours of daily operation. They are highly reliable and easy to use, even if you are working with them for installation for the first time. Today, we are ready to offer 5 types of equipment for rental. The first is a vacuum lifter for installing roof and wall sandwich panels, 2 lifters for glass structures, with lifting capacities of 850 kilograms and 500 kilograms. We also offer a lifter for curved glass units and a spreader beam for installing these loads under a canopy. SBS vacuum lifters, smart solutions for reliable construction.